I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Power off the Vivo Y11 completely and remove the SIM tray first. Work on a clean towel to protect the screen and small parts. Use a heat gun set to about 60 degrees C to soften the rear adhesive evenly. Pry open the rear cover carefully with a plastic pick, moving around the edges slowly. Keep a Phillips #00 screwdriver, plastic tweezers, and a suction cup within reach to speed up the process. Organize screws in order so reassembly is straightforward and mistake-free. After opening the phone, find and disconnect the battery connector first for safety. Unscrew all visible Phillips #00 screws that secure the midframe and set screws aside in order. Gently lift off the midframe using a plastic pry tool to avoid snapping clips. Locate the keyboard flex cable and use plastic tweezers to release its ZIF connector carefully. Peel up the keyboard flex cable from its adhesive path without tearing the cable or nearby ribbons. Keep screws and small parts organized for correct. Align the new keyboard flex cable exactly along the original adhesive path. Press the flex into place and secure its ZIF connector by closing the latch firmly with plastic tweezers. Reconnect the battery connector and power on the phone to test keyboard function before sealing the rear cover. If the keyboard works, power off the phone and replace the midframe, tightening all Phillips #00 screws in reverse order. Apply new adhesive or light heat to reseal the rear cover and replace the SIM tray to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.